Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with HSBC Global Investment Center Review My Usage Experience. HSBC Global Investment Center Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for managing and monitoring your HSBC investments. It's primarily aimed at existing HSBC customers who hold investments through the bank. Key features include portfolio tracking, performance analysis, and access to market information. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and account requirements. Their website emphasizes ease of use and a comprehensive overview of your investment portfolio. They highlight the security of the platform and the readily available information for informed decision-making. Pricing is integrated into your existing HSBC banking fees. There are no additional charges for using the platform. Access is available to HSBC customers with eligible investment accounts. You can check your eligibility through your online HSBC banking portal. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using HSBC Global Investment Center Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged into my existing HSBC online banking account and navigated to the investment center. The interface is initially a little overwhelming with the sheer amount of data presented, but I quickly learned to navigate the various sections. I found the portfolio performance charts to be particularly helpful, allowing me to easily track the growth, or unfortunately, sometimes the decline, of my investments. I also appreciate the ability to easily download my investment statements in PDF format. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their customer support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the customized reporting options, allowing me to generate reports tailored to my needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the platform on my phone was a little cumbersome using the mobile browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the HSBC Global Investment Center. While it took me a little while to fully grasp all the features, it provides a comprehensive and user-friendly, once you get the hang of it, way to manage my HSBC investments. That's my overview of HSBC Global Investment Center Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.